Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Not Pro, but definitely not bad. I'm your host and your hat, Mateo. Today we're going to be reinstalling the radiator that finally came. We'll put this back in and hopefully we can fire up the truck. I did fix the gasket the other week, so hopefully that takes care of that ticking noise. If not, we'll figure it out from there. I just want to let you guys know that I have created some merchandise for you guys, some shirts and hats. I know the 3 people that are watching this. Hi, Mom. If they're interested, I have on the YouTube channel. You can order them now and support a tiny business or tiny endeavor or just something cool. I took a lot of time to create them and try to make them cool and fun. So hopefully you guys like them, and we can go again. Thank you, Mom. Let's get started. Always feel like a short king when I'm working on this. Dude, what should I do with all this? I got an extension cord wire from this truck, but it's like from Florida or something, and I have no idea why they used an extension cord. Kind of cool to see their work, kind of not at the same time. I'm gonna get a zip tie and then I'm gonna try to keep it out of the way. Went to see this weekend my nephew play football and they won, which was awesome. It was a good time. Kids have a good time. Got to go support local high school. Got to root on my nephew, which was awesome too. Super like that. Just gonna stay out of the way. I think so. Right in there, perfect. It was just nice to get out, take the kids out somewhere different. It was their first high school football game. They liked it. I think we'll do it again, just because, you gotta show up for people. It's the main. It's hung up over here. Ooh, the sharp. Shoot darn dang. I just forgot. I don't have any coolant. I have to make a run. What are you guys cooking for dinner? I like to barbecue on the weekends. It's just it's a little bit thicker than a Snicker. Thicker than the grab it and bend. Right. Shoot, darn, dang it. This is silly. Come on, buddy. They're too wide. Oh, yeah. All right. Welcome back. I figured it out. Sliding in the wrong spot. Hi, my princess. So, thank you. Yeah. Oh, yeah, girl. It's going real good. Everyone keeps asking about you. Yeah, they're like, who's that pretty girl? Yeah. How'd you know? Can you see the camera? No. No. You do not. What do you see? My princess. Love you. So close. That was my daughter. Daughters are really cool. Something tells me this angle isn't supposed to be like this. Never see that again. Who's your favorite Beatle? I think I like Ringo. Just for the name. Disclaimer, don't bend your metal too much, it'll crack. Disclaimer, don't take it my advice. You'll crack. What's up? Light's getting low. Like Hulk. Getting real low, big guy. Now this one, I should be able to use that impact one. This is a pretty simple job. I think anyone could do it, really. If I'm doing it, anyone can. That's half the problem. Another one freaking broke. Are you kidding me? I'm thinking just drilling a hole right through there and just putting my own bolt. What do you think? Good idea? Bad idea? Bad idea. Whoa. Well, where the heck did it go? Who's been playing with my tools? Let's see. Thought I found it under one. Nope, it was not under here. Oh, I know where it is. I know where it is. Make it up. Make it up. Yeah, that's good. I don't know what it is, but working on old trucks is so freaking fun. It's challenging, but it's rewarding. Okay, yeah, that's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere. All right, let's get the hose. Oh man, this rubber's on there. And I replaced the gasket. Hopefully that will be. Oh, there we go. This will be the last one. I gotta go inside, help out, do something, make myself useful, and then hopefully my wife won't throw me away. Enough of me. You know what? This just might be quicker. Nope, we clean up all the gasket leaks. And then the radiator leaking. Oh my goodness, I'm so strong. It was National Taco Day the other day. And oh boy, I was excited. Alright, let's check it out. Tell me guys what you think. I'm pretty much done. Just a couple little bolts here and there to bolt it up. But what do you think? Go. Gotta do that bottom hose. Don't forget that, or that's gonna spray everywhere. Alright, till tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Buy a t-shirt. They're pretty cool. Alright. So still trying to finish this up before my dad gets here. Alright everyone, enjoy your Sunday, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your day. Remember, all we can control is our effort and our attitude. So let's keep it good.